Lire.
means to read. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to read in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the future stem and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. To get the future stem of the verb, we will apply the rule of dropping the E at the end. We have already learned this rule in earlier video. Now, we have subject pronoun, future stem, and future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will read.
Je lirai.
You will read, in formal way.
Tu liras.
He will read, masculine.
Il lira.
She will read, feminine.
Elle lira.
We will read, formal way.
Nous lirons.
You will read, formal way.
Vous lirez.
They will read, group of males or mixed people.
Ils liront.
They will read, group of only females.
Elles liront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will read a book tonight.
Je lirai un livre ce soir. Je lirai un livre ce soir.
You will read your newspaper tomorrow morning.
Tu liras ton journal demain matin. Tu liras ton journal demain matin.
He will read a novel during the holidays.
Il lira un roman pendant les vacances. Il lira un roman pendant les vacances.
She will read a poem aloud.
Elle lira un poème à voix haute. Elle lira un poème à voix haute.
We will read an interesting article together.
Nous lirons un article intéressant ensemble. Nous lirons un article intéressant ensemble.
You will read a magazine during the trip.
Vous lirez un magazine pendant le voyage. Vous lirez un magazine pendant le voyage.
They will read an adventure book together.
Ils liront un livre d'aventure ensemble. Ils liront un livre d'aventure ensemble.
They will read a play for the French class.
Elles liront une pièce de théâtre pour le cours de français. Elles liront une pièce de théâtre pour le cours de français.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je lirai. Tu liras. Il lira. Elle lira. Nous lirons. Vous lirez. Ils liront. Elles liront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.